I say anything, to each and every teacher out there, I really want to say thank you for not just being educators, mentors, guardians, and our everyday hero. You guys have just been amazing. You don't just teach, you inspire people to dream, you shape futures, you plant seeds of greatness. My heart is grateful to every teacher out there that is shaping lives. God bless you so much. I really appreciate the patience, the sacrifice, the passion to make our world a lot brighter, one student at a time. Today, I just want to take our time to celebrate and appreciate all your priceless impact to make us great. So before now, I've done lots and lots of videos related to being a YAPPI student, my experience, what it feels like, how to apply, all of all that good stuff. I even created a playlist for you to check out. I'll leave that linked below. So you just have detailed idea of what it feels like to be a YAPPI student for those that will be interested, and for those that alumni, you can just drop your comments so that people can get to share in your own experience as well. Before I move forward, this particular video you guys are watching, I'll share with you some other things that I have not said in previous videos, like the courses that people take at YAPPI, because it's not just animation. I also learned VFX in Blender. That's also a thing. I'm going to add the YouTube links of my lecturers below this particular video. If you are interested as well, please just check them out. I'll drop them in the description box. But however, let us talk about my experience at YAPPI, wrapping it up with this particular master class. And once again, shout out to Mr. UCHE for being the brain box behind this, because this particular gentleman, we cannot thank him enough. Myself and most of my colleagues, an amazing teacher. He makes learning fun. And what I will say about YAPPI lecturers are they're actually there to help you. Also, do you know some YAPPI students like myself won money from presenting? Yes, because as a YAPPI student, we are taught a whole lot how to animate, the business of filmmaking, how to pitch, how to get clients. Everything is more like an entire package. I'm going to break them down as we progress in this video. If you are interested, please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glory Rex. I am a content creator, spoken word poet, movie audio editor, and a YAPPI alumni. I'm so happy to make another video when it comes to talking about YAPPI. I believe that YAPPI is that institution that should be talked about over and over for people to be aware of the opportunities, because YAPPI is absolutely free. You get a lot of value for paying absolutely nothing. Like I said in my intro, this particular video is like a wrap of my entire experience at YAPPI, just to share with you guys some things that I may not have said in previous videos. If you have been watching my videos, you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps to boost the energy here. Join the family, like, share, subscribe, share with anybody that will gain one or two values. I'm really very grateful to you. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I would say thank you so much for believing in me, and I'll keep creating more content for your viewing pleasure. So thank you so much. Guys, let us get straight into this video. I spoke with some people and this is what they had to say.
Okay, my experience in YAPPI has been very beautiful. It has been exciting. I got to meet very wonderful persons. It opened up a whole new world of animation to me. I got to see animation and learn light, and I got to learn different perspectives to animation, and it felt like reliving my childhood experience. And yeah, it's been great. It's been great. And did I forget the food? Oh my god, they've been amazing. They get to feed us every time. And I would say right now, I'm proud to be an animator.
Woohoo! Hi guys, my name is Mabel Okeke. I'm here today at the YAPPI initiative, and I'm just so excited. In fact, prior to joining YAPPI, I have never heard of Blender, and I've never heard of Unreal Engine, or even vertices, so many other things, cubes, how to transform things and all that. I've never heard of that. But coming here, I've learned a lot. I've always had the attraction for creativity. I watch cartoons. I've always been a cartoon person, from Tom and Jerry down to the ones they show these days. I even watch with my kids. But now seeing the back end of it is also exciting. Like, I'm just exhilarated. So I just want to say a few thank yous to our teachers, Mr. Uche, especially. Mr. Uche is, I don't know, he has given us knowledge for free. In fact, he is such a humble man. When he comes to class, he's gist with us. Prior to even giving us the knowledge, he gives us better gist. We laugh. Then we'll now get down to the matter of the day. So I just want to appreciate him for his humility, for sharing his knowledge with us. In fact, sometimes he comes to class and you say, Omo, let me imitate him. Omo, I just learned this thing now. Make I share with you now, you know? So it's just amazing to have such a personality. And in fact, we are now able to work with meta humans. I myself that didn't know anything, any single thing about all these things. Now I was even able to make a video of a meta human dancing. As in, Mr. Uche, I beg, collect, chop knuckle. You understand? Like you did great. I also want to appreciate Mr. Michael. Mr. Michael really taught us a lot of things. Mr. Ojo, thank you very much. Mr. Joel, Mr. Moye, Mr. Fabian, the entire YAPPI team. As in, all this coming for free. That's the emphasis. Do you know how much we pay for these things online? Some days we even come, they will give us rice and chicken to eat on top the free without getting free food and water. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing. I am so, in fact, my entire life has changed because of this program. And I feel like going forward, I'm definitely going to put all this into use and start earning money. And today is the final day of this program. I don't know if I should cry or if I should be happy. Anyway, I am happy that I've learned the knowledge. I learned about collaboration. You cannot do it by yourself. It's not a one-man show. What you have learned, even if you know it, you still collaborate with other people that are better than you at some aspects like VFX or modeling. Maybe you are good at doing the animation. So you do the animation, allow other people to do their own, collaborate, and that's how you make it better and bigger. So thank you, everybody. I am super happy, and I just want to say a big thank you.
YAPPI is free of charge. You don't need to have a laptop to be a student of YAPPI. But for the master class, at some point, we're encouraged to come with our systems, because at some point, after you learn what you have been taught in class, you also need to practice. So I guess that is one of the reasons why lecturers did encourage students to come with their own personal laptop, but that was for the master class. Okay, I hope that is sorted and that is clear. Let us move forward. Okay, so like I said, my entire experience at YAPPI was fun. I met a lot of people. I was able to work on 1 or 2 projects, and one of them got us money. Yes, the first YAPPI fusion that we had at Landmark. So the money was sent to our account. Most of us that were in the group, shout out to Mrs. Stella Fubara for teaching us how to pitch, and that really came in handy, and thank you so much, ma'am. Let us talk about something important, which are the courses available at the time I studied at YAPPI. So there's animation 1, which is to make characters move from point A to point B, depending on how the creator wants it to look like. There's animation 2 that has to do with mocap, which is motion capture, all of other technicalities in animation. There's that one. There is digital fashion that was taught by Mr. Femi, an amazing person. I'll drop his YouTube video linked below as well for those that will be interested in digital fashion. I took that course. I enjoyed my experience at the time. It was just to create clothes from scratch digitally. That was really nice. VFX using Blender. That particular experience was really amazing. So shout out to Mr. Joel, my amazing teacher. He's very calm, very humble. I remember my first fire I made with Blender. That was so cool. Some things I never even thought I was going to do in Blender, I did that in the VFX class. Mr. Joel has lots and lots of tutorials. I'll drop his YouTube video links below. Mr. Joel has done some things in the advertising industry. It was easier for us to relate with him. It was easier for him to relate with us as well. Just encourage us and just give us assignments. And I remember one nice thing that Mr. Joel did in class. He told us to design Nigerian flag, and people that came first, second, and third, he gave them airtime. That was so cool. I was like, oh nice, that's a good way to encourage students. So that was that for my experience as a regular student of YAPPI. Shout out to Mr. Uche once again, and for every lecturer that was available at the time we were doing that masterclass. I would like to say that there are so many lecturers that are amazing and beautiful at YAPPI. However, people I'm calling their names are people that taught me in class, okay? And I love everybody, both the teaching staffs and the non-teaching staffs. I really made good friends with some people in the admin. I have an amazing bunch of people I can, call friends and call colleagues. Once again, I give shout out to the founders of YAPPI, Mastercard as well, Mastercard Foundation. Thank you so much for putting this opportunity together of great people to come and sit down and brainstorm and come up with something amazing. So for the masterclass, the lecturers wanted to show us more advanced way of doing things. So hence the reason why we have to now use Unreal Engine, MetaHuman, Human Gen, all that. But the masterclass was able to help me experiment these things I've been hearing. I got to use them firsthand. I was wowed. I saw the difference between creating things in Blender and using Unreal Engine as well, and playing around. Okay, so we're taught briefly about motion capture, but not with the motion capture suit, but at least it actually went a long way to enlighten most of us that completely had little idea about these things. So I feel like, in a nutshell, the masterclass was worth it. Come and share more videos related to YAPPI if anything comes up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Have you ever been to YAPPI? Do you plan to come to YAPPI? Are you an alumni? What was your experience at YAPPI? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so to wrap up this amazing video, I'd like to talk about my own personal experience as a YAPPIan. First of all, let's start with the fact that Nigerian road will get better someday. Somebody say amen, amen. Because one of my personal struggles was, bad road, traffic at some point, being in traffic for a very long time, that consumes fuel and it was tiring as well. But guess what? The courage and the zeal kept us going. Another thing that terrifies me a lot, this should not even be a good thing, are officials on the road. God, they put themselves at strategic places waiting for you to make a mistake so that they can just pounce on you. So I feel like that should be looked into. So YAPPI is actually a place where raw talents meet opportunity, turning them into dreams and realities. I'm so happy and excited that I went through the 4 walls of YAPPI. It was really an amazing experience. In my next YAPPI related video, I'll be speaking to this young man you guys can see here on the screen. He has a whole lot to share with us, a very emotional, inspiring video. So I'll see you guys in that video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you have enjoyed watching, let me know what you think in the comment section as well. And at the same time, if you have watched other videos, let me know as well in the comment section. Let me know also where you're watching me from. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. My name remains Glory Rex. Until my next video, bye.
Glory Rex loves her YouTube subscribers and is grateful to have them. Every comment's like a spark, lighting my way through the dark. From the first to the millionth view, I'm nothing without you. Thank you, my crew, you're my starry sky. Lifting me up, you make me fly. Every view, every like, you're my treasure chest. Thank you, my crew.